Hello friends. In previous lecture we have seen that the kinematic pair. Then what is the kinematic pair? When the two kinematic links are connected in such a way that their motion is either completely or successfully constant motion, this is called as the kinematic pair. Okay. Again we have seen that the types of the kinematic pair. There are the three types of the kinematic pair. According to the first will be the according to the nature of the relative motion between the link. Second will be the according to the nature of contact between the links, and third will be the according to the mechanical arrangement. In this type of the out of the three types of we have seen that the first will be the according to the nature of the relative motion between the link. There are the five types. We have seen that in detail in previous lecture, in which the first types is the sliding pair or prismatic pair. Sliding pair or prismatic pair. Sliding means one link is sliding to the another link, means this is the first link and this is the second link. This is the between two links there will be the motion will be the sliding, so it is called as a sliding pair or prismatic pair. Second will be the turning on revolute pair. Turning or revolute pair, suppose this is the 1 and 2. In these two links there will be the turning motion will be motion will be transmitted, so it is called as a turning or revolute pair. Third will be the screw or helical gear pair. Third will be the screw or helical gear pair. And fourth will be the rolling pair. Suppose this is a link 1 and link 2. In this two there will be the rolling will be take place, so that this is called as the rolling pair. Fifth will be the spherical or globular pair. Spherical or globular pair. When the one link forms a spherical shapes. The one link has the spherical shapes and second inside the fixed element. The resulting kinematic pair is called as the spherical pair. And its example असणार आहे तुमचं पेन स्टँड. पेन स्टँडमध्ये एक स्फेरिकल असतो आणि एक काय असणार आहे तुमचं इनसाइड द फिक्स एलिमेंट. द रिझल्टिंग कायनेमेटिक पेर इज कॉल्ड ॲज द स्फेरिकल पेर. In a previous lecture we have seen that this type of the relative motion between the links. And in this video second type we have seen that the according to the nature of contact between the links. We have seen that the second types, that is according to nature of contact between the links. In this according to the nature of contact between the links, there are the two types, that is the lower pair and second will be the higher pair. Okay, out of this we have seen that the first will be the lower pair. What is the lower pair? लोअर पेअर तुम्ही कशाला म्हणणार तर लोअर पेअर when the two links have surface contact or area contact while transmitting the motion, they form a lower pair. Okay, what is the lower pair? Lower pair when the two links have the surface contact or area contact while transmitting the motion, they form a lower pair. Okay, this is the lower pair. There will be two links, that is the two links. Suppose this is the one link and this is the second links have the surface contact. So it is a surface contact, means this surface will be contact with the one link and this area contact while transmitting the motion. ज्यावेळेस मोशन ट्रान्समिट होईल त्यावेळेस तुमचा एरिया ऑफ कॉन्टॅक्ट अँड द सरफेस कॉन्टॅक्ट जर येत असेल तर त्या पेअरला काय म्हणणार तुम्ही, लोअर पेअर. ओके. द रिलेटिव्ह मोशन बिटवीन द, त्याच्यामध्येच काय, सो दॅट द रिलेटिव्ह मोशन between the links of lower pair is purely sliding or turning type. काय असणार आहे, लोअर पेअर काय असणार तुमचं, द रिलेटिव्ह मोशन बिटवीन द लिंक्स ऑफ लोअर पेअर इज प्युअरली स्लायडिंग और टर्निंग पेअर. त्याचं काय असणार, प्युअर एक तर स्लायडिंग करणार असेल किंवा टर्निंग टाईप असणार आहे. ह्या दोन मोशनमध्येच तुमचं काय होणार आहे, एरिया ऑफ कॉन्टॅक्ट आणि सरफेस कॉन्टॅक्ट येणार आहे. त्याच लिंकला काय म्हणणार तुम्ही, लोअर पेअर. तर त्याचं एक्झाम्पल काय आहे, for example all sliding turning screw pair, all sliding turning and screw pair form a lower pair. एक्झाम्पल काय असं, ऑल स्लायडिंग और टर्निंग अँड स्क्रू पेअर फ्रॉम अ लोअर पेअर. काय असणार तुमचे, लोअर पेअर असणार आहेत. ओके. द मोशन ऑफ पिस्टन ऑफ सिलेंडर, त्याचं एक्झाम्पल काय असणार तुमचं, मोशन बिटवीन पिस्टन अँड सिलेंडर. तर तुम्ही पाहिलं असेल तर मोशन बिटवीन द पिस्टन अँड सिलेंडर. सपोज दिस इज द cylinder and this is the piston on which the motion will be transmitted from up and down, so that this surface area will be contact. So this link is called as the lower pair. So this link is called as the lower pair. Means काय असणार, this is the surface contact or area contact. This is called as the lower pair. Then second type will be the higher pair. Then what is the higher pair? Higher pair, when the two links are connected in a such a way that they have a line or point contact. They have a line or point contact while transmitting the motion. These links are said to be higher pair. These links are said to be higher pair. Okay. Second will be the higher pair, when the two links are connected in a such a way that they have the line or point contact. Suppose this is the one link and this is the second link on which there will be the while transmitting the motion there will be the point contact or line contact. Suppose this is the point contact or line contact. This motion is this pair is called as the higher pair. Means this is the line or point contact. This is called as the higher pair. Okay. आता हायर पेअरमध्ये एक्झाम्पल काय असणार आहे तुमचं, एक्झाम्पल कॅम अँड फॉलोवर. एक्झाम्पल असणार आहे तुमचं कॅम आणि फॉलोवर. कॅम अँड फॉलोवर. ओके. तर कॅम अँड फॉलोवरमध्ये कशी मोशन ट्रान्समिट होते हे बघा. दिस इज द सपोज दिस इज द फॉलोवर. ओके. दिस इज द कॉल्ड ॲज अ नाईफ एज फॉलोवर अँड दिस इज द अगेन सपोज दिस इज called as the cam and this is called as the follower. This is called as the follower. Okay, this is the cam and follower. While this cam will be rotated and this follower will be oscillate from the cam, so that there will be the point contact. There will be the point contact. So this pair, this one link and this is the second link, this between this relative motion between this pair is called as the higher pair. This is called as the higher pair. Means suppose this is the cam will be the rotate and this is the follower will be again oscillate to the according to the cam, so that will be the relative motion between the relative motion between the cam and follower. There will be the point or line contact, so it is called as the higher pair. Okay, this is the second types of the kinematic chain, that is the according to the nature of contact between the links. There is a lower pair and the second will be the higher pair. Okay, lower pair is the when two links are have a surface contact and the surface contact or area contact while transmitting the motion. This is called as the lower pair. This lower pair is the purely sliding or the turning type. This is a purely sliding or turning type. Okay, example is the motion between the piston and cylinder. And the second will be the higher pair, when the two links are connected in such a way that have the line or point contact while transmitting the motion. These links are said to be the higher pair. For example, cam and follower. And again example of the in silai machine, that is the cam. This is the second example of the higher pair. Okay, this topic will be the over, that is the higher pair and the lower pair. Thank you.